Hello teachers and welcome back. It's James. It's been a while. Today I'm going to show you how to teach your Japanese students how to understand the word must and mustn't. I'm teaching must rather than have to because little kids will get it confused with the word have, as in have, alright? So I'm using the word must, okay? To say must in Japanese is shinakereba narimasen. Here in Kansai, they tend to say
やらなければならない。
sorry, I'm tongue twisted, alright? So that is must, as in have to, but we're using must. And mustn't, must not. You need to separate mustn't and write must not. And the word mustn't, which is must not, is shite ikemasen. Okay? Shite ikemasen. You can do this gesture because for Japanese people, that means no, no, can't, shouldn't, mustn't. Alright? Just stick with me. Just try to follow. Alright? So, and it's a very good idea to write the word must, M-U-S-T, versus mustn't, M-U-S-T-N'-T on the whiteboard, all right? Let them see it. And then you need to explain each word to them. It's a good idea to explain to your students what each word must and mustn't is in Japanese, okay? And then proceed to your cards. Okay, to my left I have some cards. I have cards for must and mustn't. The cards that I'll be using are from Let's Go book number 5. I can't show you all the cards because it's copyrighted, but just to give you some idea. Okay, and then, so just watch how I will teach the word must. Okay, everyone, listen to James. Today, I am going to teach you the word must. Do you know the word must? Must. No? This is shinakereba naranai. Yarenakereba naranai. Okay? Must. And then I would point to the word M-U-S-T is must. Versus mustn't. Must not. M-U-S-T-N-O-T. Mustn't. Shite ikimasen. Alright? Alright. For the first week, I'm going to teach them the word must. And for the second week, I'll teach them the word mustn't. Okay, but as an introduction, I would teach both words for the very first lesson. Okay, if you're teaching at the very beginning of the month, assuming that you're teaching at an Eikaiwa 4 times a month. Okay, I have do homework, set the table, make the bed, wash the car, set the alarm. Okay, I can't show you all the cards. Mop the floor, do the laundry, clean my desk, wash the dishes, and dust the furniture. Okay, I'm going to see if they understand what these mean. What is wash the dishes? Wash the dishes. And they can see that the boy is washing dishes. Dishes in Japanese is osara. Okay, yes. Osara o arao. Very good. What's do homework? Very good. You know. Set the table. What is set the table? Table o totonoeru. All right. Make the bed. What's make the bed? Not tsukuru bed, okay? Make the bed. Bed ni kirei ni suru. Totonoeru. All right. Do the laundry. What's do the laundry? Sentaku o suru. Very good. Dust the furniture. Furniture means kagu. All right. Dust is hokori o tadaku. Okay, dust the furniture means kagu o hokori o tadaku. You can just gesture it. All right, and clean my desk. Clean my desk. What's clean my desk? Very good. 机をきれいにする. Very good. Mop the floor. 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 床を mop する. Okay. Mop in Japanese is mop. Set the alarm. What's set the alarm? Very good. You guessed it right. Set the alarm is アラームを設定する. Very good. So the word alarm in Japanese is アラーム. Wash the car. What's what? Very good. 車を洗う. Excellent. Okay, so they understand these words for the word must. Okay. What must he do? What must the boy do? What must the girl do? What must she do? And the 5th grade students and the 6th grade students know he and she. That's very easy for them. So, what must he do? 彼は何をやらなければならない。何をしなければならない。He must. Okay, must wash the dishes. He must wash the dishes. Everybody repeat. Excellent, excellent. Okay. What must she do? She must do homework. She must do homework. Okay? She must. Okay? And I would do all the cards that way, using he and she. And then, how about you? What must you do? What must you do? I think they can understand what I'm trying to ask. What must you do? And James, what must you do? I must wash the dishes and set the table and wash the car, wash my car. I have a Tesla. And I must set the alarm. And I must clean my desk. And I must do the laundry. Ugh. I must. All right? Okay, and then what must you do? They'll say, must mop the floor. I must mop the floor. See it? I. Very good. Don't forget I. I must. Each of the students will answer it like this. Okay, now for mustn't. Okay, so I think you understand. Now the next set of cards I can show you because I made these myself. These are not copyrighted yet. Well, because I made them myself. Okay, I'm gonna go up close. This is do not climb. Don't climb. 登らないで. Do not sing. Don't sing. 歌わないで. Do not swim. Don't swim. 泳がないで. Do not, don't talk. 話せないで.
喋らない
Do not drink alcohol. Don't drink alcohol. お酒を飲めないで. アルコールを飲めないで. Do not sit down. Don't sit down. 座らないで. Do not eat food. Don't eat food. 食品を食べないで. Do not take pictures. Don't take pictures. Or do not take photographs. Don't take photographs. 写真を撮らないで. Do not touch. Don't touch. 触らないで. Do not make a mess. 散らかすをしないで. Make a mess is 散らかすする. Don't run. 走らないで. Don't smoke. タバコを吸わないで. Don't lie down. 横にならないで. Don't enter. 入らないで. Don't use the computer. Computer. パソコンを使わないで. Don't play. Or don't fool around. Don't play is 遊ばないで. Don't fool around is ふざけないで. All right? Okay, everyone. Last week we did must. What's must? Yaranakaba naranai. Very good. Today we're going to do mustn't. Must not. Okay? Mustn't. してはいけません. Okay? No, no, no. Okay, these are rules in Japan. Okay, so what mustn't you do? していけませんは何ですか? What mustn't you do? I want them to say it like this. You mustn't. You mustn't or you must not. You mustn't climb. You mustn't climb. What is you mustn't climb? 登っていけません. Very good. You mustn't sing because of the coronavirus. You mustn't sing. What's you mustn't sing? 歌っていけません? Very good. You mustn't swim. Say it with me. Everybody? You mustn't swim. You mustn't swim. There are sharks. Sharks. サメ入ってる. You mustn't talk. You mustn't talk. During the lesson, you mustn't talk. 話していけません. Very good. You mustn't drink alcohol. Me? Okay. James, you mustn't drink alcohol when you drive a car. Very good. I won't. Never. You mustn't sit down. Why? There's paint. Enugu ついてる. Enugu is paint. You mustn't eat food. You mustn't eat food. 食べ物, 食品, 食べていけません. Oh, during the lesson? Oh, hi James, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hey! You mustn't take pictures. You mustn't take photographs. Maybe you have seen this before at temples. What's temple in Japanese? Temple. Oteda. Right. Right? It's written there. You mustn't take pictures. Right? Mm-hmm. Maybe. You mustn't touch. You mustn't touch. You mustn't touch the diamond. You mustn't touch the diamond. It's my diamond. You mustn't make a mess. Everybody say that. You mustn't make a mess. Oh, sorry. My room is a mess. You mustn't run. What? The teacher at school tells you not to run, and you still run? You mustn't run. How about when you go swimming, when you go to a pool? You mustn't run, right? Mm-hmm. You mustn't smoke. You mustn't smoke. I don't smoke. So you mustn't smoke. Mm-hmm. You mustn't lie down. You mustn't enter my office. 事務室に入っていけません. Okay? You mustn't use the computer. You mustn't use the computer. It's my computer. No hacking. They know the word hacking. Okay, no hacking my computer. And you mustn't play. You mustn't fool around. ふざけていけません. All right? And that's how I would teach mustn't. Okay, so, and then in the third week, you can combine must and mustn't just to throw them off or just to get them to practice. And in the fourth week, you can give them an easy test. What must you do? What mustn't you do? Or you can ask them, what is yaranakaba naranai in English? What is this? Maybe they might say, can't. No. Must. Very good. You got it. This person sitting in the blue chair is smart. Yes. Must. Yaranagaba naranai. One is してはいけません. Mustn't. Must not. You can award them with a candy at the end of the lesson or give them a sticker. It's up to you, but don't forget to praise your students. All right? And that is how I would teach must and mustn't to your Japanese students. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.